So this is what our driveway looks like, with quite a bit of snowdrift up against the edge here, where the garage door was open, or now closed. Now open, then closed. And that swirling fog out there is not this camera's poor quality. That is actual snow blowing around and drifting around. It's unbelievable. Right now it just looks like a lot of blowing. Not too much snow falling right now, except off our roof. But it'll be interesting to see what the rest of the night brings. So this is the second post for the night. This is from my garage at, I believe it's 10 something here. So pretty crazy, but I'm gonna close the garage now.